Hey guys, picked up a older, decent condition travel trailer, and this is what you don't do when replacing your trailer hitch plug, electrical plug. So I'm just unwrapping it now. See if I can do this with two hands or set it up here. So they've got there we go. They've got it wired, if I can focus, just by twisting the wires together. This is the new plug, or newer plug. They cut it and they put the trailer wire onto it. So this is how they wired it. Do not ever do this because it causes more issues. Some of these wires are probably touching, a lot of them are. You see that. If it's focused, hopefully it is. But I would hit my running lights and it would activate the trailer brakes. So don't do that. Matter of fact, only do it if you're a trained professional or you have the experience and knowledge. It shouldn't be this complicated. But I guess you never know what you'll see. And this is a prime example. So be safe out there and do it the right way.